How to run network diagnostics in Marvel Rivals. So let's say you want to know if your ping is bad before you start the match. So what you can do is just simply go to settings right here. Click on your settings icon to the top right, then go to settings. Once you are here on your settings, go to the other here at the top, the other section. Now you will see the network diagnostics option. So you just simply need to click on run diagnostics. So let's say you want to check your ping or network here on Tokyo, or yeah, here on Tokyo. Now after that, you just simply need to click on run diagnostics. So I've already ran it earlier, so that's why it says rerun. But for you, if you haven't run it yet, it will say rerun diagnostics. So simply click on that and wait for it to load. As you can see, it will show you the current server ping and the packet loss. So mine is optimal, which is good. And let's say I want to check the ping right here, which is high, and let's see if we run the network diagnostics. And it says it has a fair connection. It still has a high ping with 158 ms, but the packet loss is 0. So the most optimal server is Singapore. It says right here. So I'm going to use that. Now you can just simply cancel out right here and start up your game.